Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers for analyzing the Nifty and Bank Nifty stocks. So through Elliott waves, before we get into this big analysis of our watch list, so this is my disclaimer. Read carefully, and what I'm explaining here is only for the educational purposes only and how I'm trading them. So I have written everything here. And I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So as per our watch list, regularly what we are doing, so Nifty, Bank Nifty, and followed by all the stocks written here. So in this week I just added one more Z Entertainment here after the Sun TV, and at the same time after that Infosys Wipro we will do one more HCL, so that we will see later onwards. Just we will start from Nifty. So Nifty, as per my target, and I already explained that the last week itself, whether the fourth way is ended here and the fifth way is already ended. So as per, if it is ended here means the fifth way, the completion of the 5-way structure is already completed here as per my wave count. So one second, I will remove all those things, the extensions. Yes, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and still we are in that fourth wave here, and one more fifth wave is possible, or already the fifth wave has got ended here and we are in that bigger correction for that now 10,200 to 10,600, or it could be a deeper correction means 9,500. So still we are not knowing anything and we can't come to a conclusion also here. So what we have to do sorry here, and how we have to trade this week means it's a safe here. It's looking like 15 minutes. This is an impulsive wave of the 5 waves, so that we can't know whether it is an ABC for the fourth wave and fifth wave still ahead. If it is still ahead means it could be in diagonal formation also. So that will be a 1, 2, so 3 followed by 5, 4 and 5. So like that it may end. Otherwise, if it is the end of that fifth way is here means that could be also, because why that extended fifth way also, that is also possible, but I didn't saw here in that equities. One second, it's a little bit lagging because of that screen recording. Yeah, we will watch into the one. See, according to that Elliott waves, wave 1 rejection of the wave 2 and wave 3 has to be around 1.618, but it did only that 1.414 within that, right? So still we are in that third way means fifth way may get extended also, because if it is an lower than that 1.618 or it exactly at 1.618 also, there is a lot of chances for making the fifth way as an extended. So how it is possible means the fourth way is ended here, fifth way we have to count it as a 1 here and the 2, and it may get again retested to the 11,500 zone, and again it may continue for the third way and fourth and fifth, like this kind of wedge formation may happen here. I will show you the example. This is the wave 1, this is a wave 2, and 3 can go above this 12,200 level, and then here after that 3 way, one second be online. Yeah. If that fifth way is ended here means this is A and we are still in the B wave, means C wave can be one more low, and that this is could be a wave 1 and this is wave 2, and again one more impulsive to the upper side for the third and fourth and fifth. So this fifth wave may got a 5S structure like this. So that is also valid for that 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth wave got extended. So that is also possible for the 5 waves here. So that is why I am expecting, but right now this week, and that US election is on November 3rd, so up to November 1st week market will be very sluggish only. There is no directional will be seen for us. I think like that only, but we have to be prepared for that. It could happen anything. So whether it could continue like that, what I said explained here, or if the fifth wave got ended, it may drop for the 10,600 to 9,600 zone also. So minimum what I'm expecting is 38.2 retracement from here to the high, for example. So that is 10,300 is the 38.2 retracement, and the near to that is 50% retracement, that is around 9,700. That is a massive support zone here. So that may happen. It will took more than 5 to 6 months also. If it is a correction, it won't come immediately to this zone, because it took nearly from the March to October to complete that 5-way strategy. 5-way impulsive wave means there's more than it will took here for that B wave. If it is a very simple correction also, it will took minimum 3 months. But because it is a 5-way structure, I am expecting this as an X, means I put it as a Y and X, and this is a 3-way structure. So Z has to be in 3-way structure, A, B and C. And I am having a one more view also. Just now I have did that. If this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, these are all the intermediate waves, 1 and 1 2 1 2 1 2 like that I have placed. This could be a wave 1 2 3 4, and wave is 5 is extended here in this zone. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this could be a wave 1, wave 2, the whole thing becomes a wave 3. If it is a wave 4, means it's already done a 3-way structure here. So that is the chances for making a bigger triangle also, A. And here if it is finished, means another one more 3-way downside, and again one more high, means that could be a running flat of B also for this. So for X wave, so that is also possible. But right now we don't want to mix that positional view. As of now, for this week I am expecting a consolidation. Right now there is no clear direction. This is looking like impulsive, and this is also looking like impulsive. This is a correction, so one more impulsive way to the downside, and again one more to the upper side. If it means there is still lot of a wave ahead in the bullish side. If it didn't break, means there is a lot of corrections to the downside is possible. So how we have to trade means, only if it comes to the downside and the particular stocks how it performs, then only we have to took a buy in the individual stock. I won't do the Nifty indices. I don't trade, because watching here I will took the trade in that all stocks. So here there is no clear direction. So until I think it may up to November 1st week, it will be like this only. So next week I will explain how the wave formation will be. So Bank Nifty also, it did exactly the 5-way structure from this low, 20,400 low. It did exactly 5-way structure, and last week I told this could, if it is the end of this 5-way, there will be, we will get a ABCD correction, but it is not ended. Now it seems like ended. This is a 5-way structure ended here, Now I'm looking like a ABC structure to the downside for the wave 2. So why I'm took this as a wave 2 means sorry, here I place this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether this could be a or 1, here ABC is a B or 2, and C starts from the 5-way correction, sorry, 5-way impulsive, that is wave 1, and here one more ABC to the second wave, and third wave has to shoot like that I expected. But here the time took for that this full of impulsive wave, I took it as an impulsive wave. This is very time consumption is very low compared to this impulsive wave. So what I am expecting here, this is a 5-way structure. After the 3-way structure, one more 5-way structure may happen, nearly 26,800, and then there may be a fall. So that becomes this A or B, sorry, this B or 2 may come here for an irregular flat. Otherwise, if it is from here, if it get rejected and it bounce very aggressively, so in that time we come to know whether it is going to get rejected in this zone of 26,850. So that how we calculate is the 1272 here. So that is the 26,500 to 27,200. Within this zone it has to get rejected, and we need to see the 3-way structure. So that time we come to know, okay, this is the wave A or 1 and B or 2 will be here. So even though if it is a 5-way structure, we need to be very careful. Still the wave B or 2 may head here also, still alive. But what we have to do is, after the 3-way correction we need to buy, because this is a 5-way structure. We need to buy in the 3-way structure and the previous support zone nearly at 23,000, 22,700 something here, and then looking for that this kind of AB is equal to CD pattern. We need to book at least what we did here. At least we need to book from 26,400 to 27,389. That is also our fib expansion, sorry, fib retracement level for that irregular flat occurred at 26,515, and here that 786 is 26,425. So be cautious in this zone. It has a chances for 3-way structure, like this kind of structure may happen here. Then again it may continue for that bullish head after that. So next we will move on to that individual stocks. It's a Titan, starts from Titan. So Titan, as I said, my target was got achieved in that previous stream before itself, and I have explained. Now I am looking only for the 3-way structure to the downside. So whether this wave, how it will be there, it's a very aggressive, and if it is bounced from here, this zone, you can buy, but only in the minimum, because it can do for like this what I have explained. After a bounce and then again one more bounce, one more to the downside is possible. So I took it as a, this is a A, B, C as a A, and B, C is a 1, 2 and 3 got intermediate wave 3 and 4, 5 here. This is the end completed here. 1 second. So A, B, C is completed means beyond the connecting wave of WX. And here we come to know, and we have to look for the previous 4 hours or in the daily chart. This is the end of the 3rd wave means there is a chances for making a triangle also. So whether it will be a triangle like that, what I am expecting, and then 5th wave may be a higher about 1385. So that is what I am expecting. So now there is no trade because I am trading only in stocks, cash segments. So I will wait for to buy here. I will just keep on waiting only. Here there is a no trade as of now. Next we will move on to the Grasim. So Grazim also I updated in Telegram channel. It's looking like here it's a wedge formation, the perfect ending diagonal. See how it's beautiful is this. ABC is a W, X, ABC. So this is the end of the diagonal. Sorry, this is the correction W, and this is the connecting wave X. And A is a 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is an running flat, and C is also 1, 2, 3, and at the time of I posted that, it was traded about this zone 800. I told before that its target is 800 and above approximately, but it already reached. But still now we are in that fourth wave only. I placed here, it has to come for the 3-way structure for the fourth, and it did that same exactly what I expected here. It's a 3-way structure. So now this is a wave 1, 2, the intermediate wave 3 I am explaining. So 1, 2, so 3, 4 and 5. So this is the intermediate wave of 3 is completed, and I am expecting the 4 is already did, and 5 I am expecting. But you know, to understand this is a diagonal formation, whether there is a lot of chances for third wave can be completed here, fourth wave also ended here, fifth wave also ended. It could be chances, but as per this wedge formation, the 1 and 3 is completed here. So second wave and fourth wave can meet at that exactly level. So I am expecting one more wave to the upper side for the 820 zone near to that. But trading here is it's a foolishness what I'm trying to say. No need to trade this zone. Just keep on watching, and I'm expecting that bigger structure to the downside. As of my count, what I'm trying to say, the WX ABC is a W and X. So this is the one ABC is completed. This is a connecting wave, and for this connecting wave ABC is connected means if this is the end of the Y wave, we may get a bigger 3-way structure like this. If it is again there is a bullish means we may get like this kind of wave structure ABC. After that again one more ABC for the Z wave is also possible. So next we will move on to Raymond. So Raymond, just keep on watching only. As I said, I am looking for that around 160 zone. If we are in that striking with that fourth wave here as a triangle, it's still valid. So still we are in that C wave, or already C, D and E is got completed, and we are on the downside, we can't identify here. So just we need to watch and then trade only here. So no need to buy here, and we will get stuck with if you buy here, because I'm expecting only the 160 zone to buy for that long term opportunity, because I took it as this as a 1, 2, we are on the 3, and fourth is going on triangle in my view. So only if it breaks below this 206, we have to be in buy side. Until this is a watching pair, no need to trade for myself. So we move on to the Reliance. Reliance also exactly what I expected. It's already did. I said this is the third way. So whether if it didn't break this 2165, there is a lot of chances for making a triangle, and if it breaks this 2165, that could be an regular flat also. So it did that same thing exactly. This is a 5-wave structure, and this is the B. So far the 1 is completed, 2 is completed, 3 is finished. So now I am expecting the fourth wave is still there, and one more wave to the downside is possible up to 2085, and then again it may go higher also. But if you want to take a trade in this, we need to buy above this 2373 only, because again it may get an three-way structure also, or what I said is here I took it as a diagonal wave, A B C as a 1, A B C 2 as a 2, so the whole thing becomes a third wave is finishing here. So if it is there means lot of 1 2 3 4 5, the end of the third wave. I'm expecting the fourth wave and I already did. So expecting the fifth wave, I need A, B, C. So that A, B, C also, that after that breaking this 2369 or 2370 above, we need to watch this wave formation whether the A is going on A and again for the rejection B and then C. So still we are in the three-way structure, to the higher side is possible. Otherwise the wave 4 can make a bigger triangle also. Here one ABC is completed and another ABC. So again ABC, like that it may do, but be careful, if it didn't break this high, there is a lot of chances to the downside also. In that case, how it is possible means it could end it here also. How? Just have a look. If this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and this could be an end of that wave 4 and 5 also. So mind that there is a lot of chances, because why I'm trying to say means to buy above this, I took it as this is as a W and X and Y is an diagonal triangle wave. But if it failed means that will be a bigger correction also. How means this is a ABC, could be a W and X, A, B and C also. So that in this condition I'm not so comfortable with here. In this zone, because this is an A, clearly we can see that C here in this zone of ABC. So A is ended here, B is ended here and C. So this third wave is also a diagonal triangle pattern. So for me it's looking like bullish, but it will took more consolidation here. That is my view. So we move on to the Bajaj Finance. So the Bajaj Finance also I am looking only for that triangle as of now. This A is completed in the 5-way structure. So it could be A, B, C, D, E, and then again it has to shoot it. Otherwise it can shoot. Otherwise if it is a complex correction also, anything is possible. Here one ABC is completed, another ABC is also completed. So one more ABC can go within this high. If it breaks also, that will be an irregular flat. So only if you know that price action of the Elliott waves, what kind of structure can the B wave can do. This is a 5-way structure. So we are in the B wave. So B wave won't immediately to that very simple B wave can't happen, because the time took here to here as an impulsive wave, it's nearly that 5 to 6 months means nearly the correction for that 50%, it has to be around 4 to 5 months or maybe the equal distance only for that 50% retracement. So after that only it is getting ready to for that B wave. So still there will be a lot of complex correction can happen in the B wave. So what I am expecting here is one more wave to the impulsive wave to the upside, whether it is breaking or not. If it breaks means that is an irregular flat. If it didn't break, there is a lot of chances for making one more 5-wave, or it could be a 3-way structure also to break this low. If it didn't break this low and if it didn't break this high, there is a lot of chances for making a triangle, what I said previous. So next we will move on to that Sun TV. Sun TV is also same. I expected this zone of nearly 420 zone, exactly did here in this zone. So whether it is getting ready for that third wave, because this is a bigger one, bigger two, I am looking as a C wave. So C wave, either it could be a diagonal triangle wave or ending diagonal, whatever it is, or it could be a bigger C wave, means that could be an internal wave of 1 to 1 to, or like that it can come for the making for the third wave. So this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and here is also the 5-way structure. So whether this could be a B, C as a 1, and it is getting ready for the B wave. So here it's a B, C is a 2 is completed, or it could make a one more correction to that 340 is also possible. If it does, means my view is only for that ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, and it will be keep on shooting in the diagonal triangle pattern. So we will move on to Z. Z entertainment also, it's a same as per the Sun TV. This is also looking like a bullish wave count. I already did that, and I have posted in my Telegram. I shared my view, so you can follow in the Telegram also for the more updates. But I won't give any entry zone. This is only for the educational purposes only. You can learn from me. So as per this A, B, C is an irregular flat of expanded flat. So here it's a ABC as a 1, and this is a diagonal triangle in the C wave. ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, ABC is a W, and X. Again that Y wave is also completed as a WXY pattern. So this is the end of the third. So ABC is a fourth, ABC is a fifth is completed here. So as per this, I just keep on watching that. I didn't done anything here, but I started to buy here in the zone, and I have explained that I bought at 174. Exactly, I bought at 174. I just keep on, I didn't done anything, because one more ABC is already done, and sometime it looks like ABC as a B, and C is a 5-way structure. I will show you it in that 4-hour. Here it looks like a 5-way structure got completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in that case, if this is a ABC is a ABC is a B, so this is a flat correction. So if we, because why I marked the question mark, I will inform you the later. So whether it's look like a 5-way structure, I bought at 174, exactly the bottom. Now I'm looking only for that to break this trend line channel to make a confirmation for that bullish move. So this is also, I took it this as a ABCA, ABCB at C. So we can make it as a W for the further correction for the upper side. This is a connecting wave. So one more ABC can happen up to nearly 300. If it is a correction, is still ahead. But if it is an ABCA, ABCB as a 1 means, I kept this, if it is a diagonal triangle, how the C wave formed here, this could be do like that only. It's keep on going to break the previous high of my positional view. So that the Sun TV and Z Entertainment is a good investment, and I already did that. It has to break this 600 level. That is my positional view. That is why I worked for that, and I already did, and small investment. I just keep on going how it will do here. So because if it is a diagonal triangle, or anyway if it is in correction part, means we will get a lot of entries and exits. It's not looking like a bigger impulsive. If it did also, see this is a 1, 2, and we can't make it as a 1, 2, 1, 2 here. Because if it is a 1, 2, 3 and 4, it's not there. It's a 3-way structure. So either we have to make it as a diagonal triangle pattern, or it could be continuous as a WXY, WXY like that. It can continue to the upper side to break that 600 zone. So let's move on to the steel sectors, JSW. It's a JSW. It's a very excellent for the counting, but I didn't catch anything. Only here we bought at 260 levels, 264, and we exited at 300 expecting the fourth wave. So it did in, but previous I thought it's a different wave count for me. Now I stick with this is the final wave count, I think so. Here is a leading diagonal of wave 1, 2, and this is a leading diagonal of intermediate wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is completed, and the fifth wave is also an extended. This is what I'm expecting in that Bank Nifty also. Even though if it crossed that third wave high, there is a chances for, I thought like that only, it's a fifth wave is completed, one more ABC has to come to around the 200 230 levels for the bigger ABC, but it didn't done, and again it crossed, means I thought it could be an irregular flat, so I thought from here it can come to the downside and again one more high, but that is also not happened. So this is in wedge formation in that fifth wave, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is my final count, I think so, because here it's a wave 1 and wave 2 exactly it did only that 1.272, it's not 1618 for. This is the same thing happening in that Nifty also, same structure. ABC as a 1, 2 and 3, 4 and fifth wave is already, see here it's broke the high, but it didn't came to the downside. So now it's a 1, 2, 3 is completed. So one more to the downside of nearly 315, and there is chances for making the 340 levels also. So here watching and entering is very difficult. Mind that it can do anything after that. So JSW, it's already finished. Now we move on to Tata Steel sectors. So Tata Steel also, it's a DIN perfect ABC what I expected here also, and what I thought is one more ABC to the upper side here last time I expected, and then to the downside, but it is doing the same thing. But my question here is ABC is a B and C is completed as W, whether the X is completed here, or if it is X is completed means Y has to be in another W XY also. So Y contains of ABC, but that could be split into the WXY also. So I missed that here because just I added from the two streams before itself. So what I'm thinking here is from here if it has to break this, but in that case if it is an ABC is a W, this is a X, ABC, if it didn't came to this, we miss the trade, right? So just keep on watching. What I have to do is, here it's a perfect three-way structure, ABCA, ABCB and C is also, it's looking like impulsive. Whether if it comes to the downside, it's fine. I will be happy and I will add more here. But if it's keep on raining and if it's keep on going to the upper side and it's already broken the high, means again it has to do like this. This wave has to come here as an irregular flat. So anyway, only not now, I won't enter here. Only if it comes to break this level, I will enter. Otherwise, if it is a three-way structure, it's a bigger than a 386, we will enter partially here, but we need to watch this wave formation. If it is again this kind of wave formation, we can enter. But if it is aggressive, we no need to enter, just keep on watching how it's placed. So it can be like this also, because this is a W, this is the intermediate wave X, this is a connecting for this ABC, and this is a connecting another one more ABC. So I'm just looking only for this kind of wave formation. But in that extraordinary case, if it goes, this is a W, X, A, B, that is why I explained. If it is comes like the ABC pattern, we can make it one more high also. So that is W, X, A, B and C. Whether it is going to break the high or within the high it can reject. In that case, at least we can bank something here, but only in the small lot sizes. If it comes aggressive, you just wait for this to break. Otherwise, if it is going to be very small ABC, we can enter partially, and no need to enter here in the 400 zone. Another thing, don't average. Only average, you only for the looking for the target of 430. Only the 30 points you can make. So next we will move on to the Hindalco. So Hindalco also same exactly what I expected, A, B, C, and again one more downside to the possible. So that is why I exited all my position here. I bought at 165 zones here, and I already booked here, and again I buy back here, and again I booked at in this 186. I exited my all positions. Now I am looking only for this, but if it is a move is very slow movement, I will again buy at 178 level for the target of again 195 level. So that I am expecting. In that case, this could be a, once again I will switch to that 1 hour. Here it is not looking like a 5-way structure. This is a clean 5-way structure, right? This is not looking like a clean 5-way structure. It's looking like a overlapping. So whether it could be, yeah, here it is struggle below that 1414 only. So still there is a chances for making one more drop from here and taking this as a support. It may be like this, and then again one more way to the downside is possible. In that case, this is the A, this is the B, and one more way to the C is possible. So whether it is going to break this high or may not to reach this 197 is also possible. So in that case, this A, B, C will be an irregular flat, and C has to be shoot here. So Hindalco it's finished, and then Jindal also I booked all in 210 zone. I expected the 220, but I exited here itself at 210 exactly, but it's looking like a overlapping here. So I'm not so satisfied because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 itself here itself I am expected, but sometime it's looking like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and this is the 4th way. So 5th way could ended at 210 means I just keep on watching, and I exited here exactly at 210 zone here 29. Yeah, 29 I exited my. So I just keep on watching here whether it is going to be in another one more leg to the downside upper side. I'm not sure about this. This wave it's looking like an impulsive, and here also impulsive. So now I'm looking only for the downside because this resistance zone is not yet closed above this level. Still we are in the below only, and the weekly is also closed below this level. Is I think we'll move on to the weekly. So this is the weekly, and weekly we are didn't closed above that level. So still there is a chances for making one more level to that 120. Below this low is very possible. 160 is a good buy below 160, but my bigger thing is we need to watch. This is the wave 1, wave 2 completed, and we are in that internal wave of 1 is completed, 2, and then again if it means it will shoot so much because it's a bigger third wave. Mind that, don't miss this trade. Otherwise if you can enter above this 230, but my target is going to shoot above 800 because A is completed, B is also completed, and C I'm looking for. This is a wave 1, 2 and 3 has to shoot above that 850 levels, or otherwise if the B wave is still ahead, and even though we need to break above this 297. So the next resistance zone is 345. At least it will reach here. So in that case, if it reached here, means that could be an, here will be a B C. It's not 1. You mind that. If it is going very aggressively from here, that could be an impulsive A, B and C. Or this A, B, C is a W, this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, means anyway I am looking the C wave nearly to that. First target is 360 and the next target is around 480. So that is my level. So we move on to MGL, Mahanagar Gas. So that is also I expected. So Jindal, yeah, MGL. Sorry. See this MGL also. I expected from here itself, and I having the position also 890, and I added at here at 797. I added in this zone 787. I just keep on watching. I told that day whether it is a fourth wave is still ahead, means there is a chances for making one more low to the 720 or 730 what I expected. Otherwise, if it is the end of this is the fourth wave is ended, means this is the end of fifth wave, we may see, because this is the W and this is the X, we need to break this high. This is a mind that this is a shorter term trade only. I'm not holding it for long term. So I'm just looking for this ABC has to happen here, ABC, that's it. Once it crossed that 1110, I will be exited my position, all the position without any hesitation. So next we will move on to Sun Pharma. That is also reached my that 480 zone what I expected the last week also. Exactly reached. Now it is seems like one more way to the downside, small, it's possible or not, but from here there is a chances. If it is moving aggressively, you just stick to that. Otherwise, if it is doing like this kind of overlapping here, if you find out if this is a correction only, you need to exit here in this 550 zone. So that is a chances for this, the ABC, A is completed, and another one more ABC is a B, and C can come to that 440 level also. So this is a short term buy and this is a long term buy. So next we will move on to LT. So LT also what I said is around a 950 I'm expected. Exactly it did near to that 948. So now I'm looking that day itself, and I have already shared that in previous what I thought is this could be an A, B, C. So again for this A, B has to reach the 900 zone, but it didn't came. 908 is the low. So in that case that is invalid for me. It's looking like if it reached here, that is a valid for that. And here also the wave formation, that time how I plotted that, I didn't know about that, because I thought this is an ABCA, ABCB, and is a ABC like that. I have did. This is a three-way structure as X, and ABC has to follow here to reach the 900 zone, but 908. So now how I am looking here is ABC is a is finished, B is completed. This is the A. So this ABC A, ABC B, C means this becomes a W, right? And this is the X. So again A, B and C. So we can label like that only. Otherwise this A, B, C as a, this is the B. So C contains of 5 waves. This could be a wave 1. So in that case, this is a wedge formation. How we did in the Grasim, like that. This is the wave 1, this is the end of the wave 2, and this is a three-way structure is 1, 2, 3, and we are in the fourth wave. So either it is a fourth wave, still one more wave to the upper side, or this is the end of the fourth wave, means this is the end of that third wave. What I'm trying to say is, explaining here, is the intermediate wave third. This is a 1, 2, 3 is ended here, fourth and fifth has ended here, or one more high is possible. So in that case, third wave is ended, and again one more three-way structure for the fourth, and again one more wave to the fifth wave. So in either case, I'm expecting the 960 zone here. So in that time is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I need to exit my position here. Why means, this is, I already explained the last stream also. For this wave, so W, X, Y is completed here, means that is a bigger W. So this is a connecting wave. It's a very very fast. That correction did very fast. It won't be like that. And here the wave is also looking like overlapping, and this is a correction part. So we need to exit here my position 960. I already exited my position at 925 itself off, and another off I will be exited, because I am having a position from here itself, one more position at 957 I am having one position. So I thought from here it can shoot. It's because A, B, C is done, and I am expecting 1, 2, so third wave. So I am expecting for the third wave. I bought at 957. So what I will did here, once that wave is broken here, I keep on watching and I'm counting, and I bought at 860 zone here, and I have explained that also. So I keep on watching that 925 exited my off position, and remaining holding that off position for the target of 960 to 950 levels. But I'm not so satisfied to exit here. That is why keeping that off position for the target of 960 or 970 levels. Once it reached there, I will exit all my position what I bought at 957, even though if it is still now in profit only. So after that, there is a W, X, one more A, B, C to the downside up to the 820 is also possible. So next we will move on to Ashok Leyland. So Ashok Leyland also I bought at 72. From the starting itself I booked at 80, and again we bought at 72, and again what now I did is again I exited at 82. Now it broke the previous high. I think so. I saw that it's around 83.40, and this is 83.50. So now it is doing an irregular flat. So either what I said here, it can break the high and making as an irregular flat, and it can do one more wave to the ABC for the Y wave. Same thing it happened now. See, A, B and C. So it is did then irregular flat now. So now there is a one more wave to the higher side, or from here itself it can come to the downside again to the 70 levels. That is why I exited at 82. Now I am watching for around 70 to 72 level again. If it comes, I will buy here. And again, if it did the same to break this low also possible in that expanded flat. In that case, it won't happen, or it, because we can't say. If it happened like that, I won't add here anymore, because it's already added 70, and again if it is a 66 means no need to add for the 4 rupees. So if it is again it's valid for that A wave, it crossed again this 82.50, again I will add in that B wave, not in the A wave. Once the B wave is completed, I will add, because this is a W, X. So again A, B, C for that Y wave, and we already broke that channel here, this channel, the trend line, and now I am expecting to break above this 98 zone. That is my target, W, X. Maybe it can go above this level also. It depends upon the W and X FIB expansion level that we will see here. So this is the whole thing is W, and X it won't be very small also. It may drop to here also. There is a lot of chances for making 60 also. So for approximately if I did at 70, nearly 1 means 122 is my zone, 122 to 135. So that is exactly the resistance level. What we are doing is exactly the resistance level. So let's see Ashok Leyland and then again Tata Motors. Tata Motors also I'm expecting the same as per the Ashok Leyland. Here it's a perfect ABC is completed, and again here also ABC is completed. So again this it's not looking like a ABC, it's looking like an impulsive wave to the downside. Here it is. So whether it is a three-way structure and one more three-way structure to the upper side, or it could happen like this also. It can do like this. That is why I have exited my position what I bought at 128. I exited at 138 here. And now I'm looking for this zone. So if it comes like this, so we easily find out there's a ABC ABC is a B as an irregular flat. So one more way to that as a running flat or expanded flat. Maybe if it is a running flat, again the 140 levels. So at the time ABC is a ABC is a B, and C is a downside for that again 100 level. So that is also possible movement. But from here, if it is a diagonal, trying to say this wave, this trend line is not yet broken and close below that. So if it is still valid, that X wave, Y wave could be a diagonal triangle also. So in that case, ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, and it will keep on overlapping like this kind of wave formation, and it will reach that 190 my profit zone also. So either side, if it comes like this, there is a still chances for making 100. But either if it breaks this high, and there is a lot of chances for making a to break this high also. So that we need to watch, and then we have to enter. So after that, the Apollo Tyres. So what I expected, it is not happened here in the Apollo Tyres, right? Because what I expected, it didn't break this high. So there is a lot of chances what I bought at 114 and 126 127 I bought. So that I have exited my position at 138, exactly what I said, and it came down. So I happy to see this, and I expected again one more downside to break this low. But what happened, it break this high, and it is an impulsive wave. Clearly it is a 5-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5. So now how it looks like means, this is a W, this is a X, A B C 1 2 3 4 5. It could happen like that, or 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be a wave A also. For this connecting wave, this could be an A, B, C. So anything is possible now. So here also in the three-way structure, be careful, and we can enter after that three-way structure once it got completed. So that is also a support zone. If it reached here 134, I will again buy back that. What I exited at 138, I will buy back here. So anyway, we are not going to miss this trade, I think so. So only what we booked here, the same lot has to taken here, because right now I'm just keep on watching this as an A, B, C as a W, and this could be an X, means this could be a A and again B, and one more C is possible. Like that, I'm just keep on watching here. But in either case, it can go here like this also. So get ready for this also. So next is, I think, Castrol. Castrol, exactly what I did is 104.1 I bought, and the low is 104, right? I expected here for the bullish triangle, it did a bearish triangle in the intermediate wave B, and once it got broke this 106 and keep on watching, and I added exactly the bottom level. I added at 104.1, and I am already having at 120.0, 120, yeah, I'm having the position at 120, so that is 114 I added. Now I'm looking to break above this 143. So this could be a wave 1 also. Mind that. I will switch to that 4 hour. This is the completion of that wave structure. So this could be a reversal for this stock. One second. There's a little bit lacking. Okay, so you yeah, it's came. This is a ABC A or W. ABC, it means it's already reached that lower levels 90. So from here I'm expecting only that higher levels for the 200 to 250 levels only. So it won't be like that. So it could be an wave 1 also, or BA also, and that intermediate B only, it's a triangle. So that is also valid for that third wave to start from here. So this is, if it is a wave 1, wave 2 and 3 can shoot. So mind that this is getting ready for that bullish. So don't book the profit early. We can, at least you can book here, but this wave formation, that we need to watch here how aggressive is this here. Then only we need to book the profit here unnecessarily. So this is for the long term investment. It's a very good stock. To at least we can make around a 200 to 250 is a good price to book the profit. So Maruti, it is also, we are in that fourth wave. I said my positional view. Here the wave 1 is completed, wave 2, and here what I am expecting, this zone from the bottom, whether this could be a 1, 2, so 3 is completed. Exactly what I expected here, it's exactly did and bounced. So it's looked like a bullish. So whether it is going to make a one more in the 5-way structure to break above that 9,000 or 8,500 like that, or it is going to be make a triangle in the fourth wave and then again shoot, or if it is a B, C is completed, means again it has a chances for making a low again to that 5,600 is also possible. So that is why I have placed the channel, the trend line. So once it breaks below this, you need to be cautious. There is a lot of chances for making another 5,500 also. So next we will move on to that IT sectors. Infosys also same as I said, whether the third wave is completed, the bigger third wave, I'm expecting for the bigger fourth wave. So that you have to see in that weekly chart. It's a 1, 2, here also 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So this is the intermediate wave 3, 4, and the fifth wave is got also 5-way structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm expecting only to the downside in the 3-way structure. It could be anything, but only if it comes to the correction level to the 900 zone, we need to buy. So I'm expecting that, whether it is happening or not, that it's up to the market. So only there is no trade in that Infosys. Only if it comes to the 900 zone or deeper 3-way structure only we need to buy, not here. So Wipro also same. here I said there is a 1 2 3 4 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, and again for this one, and I'm expecting the fourth wave. So it still exactly did the impulsive wave, and one more we are in the correction for this impulsive wave. After the correction I am expecting that again to reach the 320 levels. So if it comes to the 320 levels, we need to watch and then you need to enter, because in either condition sometime it looks like 1 2 3 4 5, and this is a 1 2 3 4, and the fifth wave may got an extended level also. It's looking like that sometimes. So you just hide that. See here, like here 1 2. So what we did is 1 2 3 4 5. So here 1 2 3 4 5. If it is ended here, this 1 2 we did as a 1 2 here, but sometimes it's looking like 1 2 3 4 5. So this whole thing become a 1 also. So that I will post in my Telegram channel. You can look for that also. In the either case, see, this whole thing becomes 1 means, for example I will tell you 1 2, so this third will be here, fourth, fifth, and this 1 2, everything will be changed. So this 3 will be here, 1 2 3 4, like that it will be here, but little bit confusion here. So once I got the correct count, there is a lot of chances for making a deeper correction also. So mind that I will just clear wave count I will share in my Telegram. As of now I just keep on watching this, hide this. There is a lot of chances for making here itself, there is a lot of correction and it can go, because in Infosys also it's looking like a third wave is ended, means this all IT sectors may be a pullback to the downside. So for example that HCL also I just added. See, HCL also 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed here. So for this one, this is a 2 3 4 and 5. It's looking like everything that 5 is, and I have already presented this in the 2-3 weeks before itself. All IT sectors it's going to end, it's looking like that. So this is a weekly chart. See, this is a wave A or 1, this is a wave B or 2, and this is a exactly the B wave correction. So C got completed means, and it is exactly the according to the fib expansion level for that wave A, B. It is exactly, it's a equal to AB is equal to CD pattern. It's a this wave and this wave is a equal. So in that case, if it is a C wave got a 5-way structure also, we need one more 3-way structure to the downside. So in that time we can watch this wave formation, how it is forming, then we can took a buy. Not here, no need to buy here. Whether if it is a C wave contains a 5-way also, it has to be in at least 50% retracement for this wave. Once again I will explain. For this here, at least 50% means around 640. If it isn't 38% also, around 700. So at least we can enter here, only partial. Because if it is a B, C, we are expecting that C wave contains a 5-way structure, it's already dead, but that will be extended, or this is the end of the C wave, means we may get a bigger correction also. So another 50% means around again it will come to that 370. So mind that no need to enter very aggressively seeing this kind of wave formation. So whether it could be end of the C wave, or that C wave can be contains of 5-way, means it could be extended in the 5-way structure. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Or it could be a bigger one. This is a bigger 2, and still we are in the 3rd wave, means anyway the 5-way structure is going to end here. And one more ABC to that what I said 38 point or 50, we have to enter in the 600 700 zone. That is a safer zone only in the partial. And if it cross above this high, then you can enter there, or you can wait for the pullback and again enter there. So no need to aggressively, if it is a, you can't come to a conclusion whether this is a 3rd wave. It can be anything, whether A, B, C, or C contains of 5 waves, or this could be 1, 2, and this is the 3rd wave. So lot of possibilities here, but only in the pullback around the 38.2 retracement for the last swing, or 50%, you can enter there. I think I finished here up to, yeah, we need to, yeah, Maruti, I have already saw that, Infosys, Wipro finished, and we saw that HCL also. Now we going to the bank sectors. So DCB, it's all slow moving pairs, what I said in the previous. So now we are going to that 4 hours. So we either this is an ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C means this is a W. So X is completed as of now, or it could be a bigger X correction, means we may get like this again to this zone. After that it can go higher. I took it as this as an ABC as a 1. So it's a diagonal triangle pattern. But it could be a ABC is a, ABC is a B, and C means this could be a W, and X, this could be the end of the X. We may again see the above higher levels. So in that case it can go high. But if it is in W, this is the connecting wave, and again one more 3-way structure to the downside is also possible. So either it can do, but I'm in the buy side only from the 80 levels. So we move on to SBI, and so that is also same pattern what I expected. Whether it is going to be around the 210 to 215, again it is going to the downside. That is my bias. It has to go to the downside, because here is a ABC is a, ABC is a B, and C. So this is a W, and this is a X. Clearly we saw that 5-way structure, and beyond the 3-way structure, whether this could be a triangle also, and one more way to the upper side to this wavelength. After that we are in the downside only. Here also ABC is a, ABC is a B, so then that will be a bigger flat, and C has to fall very aggressively again to this 170 zone to break this low. It could be a deeper correction also, 165 also, mind that. And we will move on to ICICI. ICICI, I have exited all my positions what I bought here also, and I bought at 405. When means it's around August, yeah, from here. In that time I expected it has to break this high. I need to add. So I thought this could be a 3rd wave. This is I kept it as a 1, 2. So this is a 3rd wave. If it cross above this, that is why I have bought at 405. But accidentally this is an unexpected, and it dropped here. So once it dropped aggressively, I know that's okay. This is the entire count is different now, changed once it came down aggressively. So then I explained that this is a W, this is a X, A, B, C. So one ABC is completed. So we are in that another ABC to the downside. This is a connecting wave. So one more A, B, C has to happen. So exactly it did the 5-way structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is one confusion I said. It's looking like it didn't break this high also, and it did break the low also. So whether this could be in 4 is ended here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or there is a chances for 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 overlapping here for the 5th wave, and again to the come to the downside also. So anything, I am looking only for that, again that 50% level for this swing. And if it is a B wave, and I am expecting all that Nifty, Bank Nifty and all banks also, it's a little bit consolidation. So at that time this also do more consolidation for the B wave, and then only it has to shoot to the higher levels of my target of around 500 to 550. So this we need a more consolidation zone here. So let's move on to Axis. In this also I bought at 509, I think so. In previous I exited everything. I bought it here exactly, and you know very well about that. My already explained that 410 I bought, and again I just keep on watching this 380, but it didn't trigger. So I keep on watching, and then I booked the off profit at a 475 zone off, and again I didn't done anything. Keep on watching. I expected from here it is a 3-way structure, and last week also I expected from here it's a 3-way structure, but it didn't happen. But it is going on that diagonal formation. So keep watching that, and I exited all my position here. I added at 509, and here also I added at 410 or 409 something I added, and I exited off position at 475, and now I exited this position and this position, everything, and it is in profit now. I'm just keep on watching this, whether it is going to, it's not looking like impulsive, but whether it is a impulsive or this is a connecting wave. In ICICI it broke the previous high, but in Axis it's not yet done. So whether this could be an A, B, C. So there is a lot of chances for A, and this is the B, and this is the C, means there is a lot of chances for again to the 380 zone. So that is why I have exited all my positions here. In ICICI also, if we are going to be a little bit deeper correction also, means here I am looking like a 5-way structure only. That is why. So if it is a 5-way structure also, if it is a deeper correction, again we may get this zone around 360. So just wait for that zone, and then we can buy. So next one's RBL. So RBL also I didn't done anything, just I added at a 160 zone. I just keep watching that. It's looking like all 3-way structure, and here I'm expecting one more high like this kind of, and one more high to here. So if it reaches this zone, I will exit all my position. No need to for the second thought, because it will do like this, because ABC is a B, and C can do. And in DCB Bank also I'm expecting one more to that. 1 second, we will wait for the DCB. Axis and what I expected ICICI and Bank Nifty. See the DCB also, maybe it don't want to make this high also. Maybe from here itself it can do like this, and then again one more low. So everything I'm looking only for that correction only to the deeper. ICICI, Axis, DCB, RBL, SBI, and Bank Nifty, everything. So I'm looking only for the correction. So we wait for that to end the correction, and we can load more. So I think I covered all the things. what we have did here, and one more thing is Parag milk, right? Okay, 1 second, we missed that Parag. So what I said, the Parag DCB RBL also, once I close my positions, I don't want to add these things. And if you are interested, please be comment in your this comment section, what are the other pairs, and just keep on watching that. What are the other pairs you are you can inform that your watch list also. I will just get through in that. If anything interested, I will keep on added to my watch list also. So here in the Parag, whether this could be an 5-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5. It could be an expanded leading diagonal also, so that could be a 1 or A, and here is a running flat of 2 for the 2 or B, and I expected 1. So if it is a C-way correction, it's got a 5-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5. That is why I have explained here, but still we are in the second wave only. It is not yet completed. I thought from here it can shoot, but again it did, and again it came back, and again it broke the high, and again it came back. So here it's exactly it did. Here is a still. Now I exited my position. I said earlier itself 116. I exited my position what I bought at 112, and here at 95 exited at 116 level, and I keep on watching. Now the ABC is done. Again one more ABC it's doing. So it has to break this level. So if it did, what we have to think is ABC is A, ABC is a B, and one more high is possible. Here. So one more high is possible. Whether it is going to break this high or this high, that is not an issue. Either way, if it breaking or not breaking, from here I'm expecting one more to the downside. If it breaks, means it won't do to break this low. So that will become, from here it can shoot for the running flat as a running flat. So that contains of wave 2 or here. This is the wave 1, and these are all the correction for the wave 2, and then it can shoot. So still not yet going to shoot here for the Parag milk foods. What we expected, it won't do immediately, right? Here it's done the same, and from here keep on watching, and just I keep on adding here at 112 and 195 zone. See, it went sluggish, messy, and if we book the 10, and what I said is okay, it is not going here and there, and it is doing here, and it's very slow moving, and then I quit this, what it will happen, it will shoot from here itself. So, and then that will be very fast moving. I missed that same thing in ABFRL, it's Aditya Birla Fashion Limited. I already, and I didn't cover it in my YouTubes, and I just keep on personally and keep for that. I entered at 127 level here. I entered at 127 here, and what I did is, okay, keep on watching from here. A, B is completed here. So what I entered at 127. Keep on watching. It's look like 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, here it's looking like okay, A B C, and another A, B, and C. So I thought it may go very aggressively, but it's again it is not going anywhere. So what I thought here, I exited my position at 134. From here itself I exited my position. It is not going anywhere. So okay, it is doing that one more low is possible, and it is not going anywhere. So I thought myself, and I exited my position at 134. 127 and 124 I bought here, and again I exited all this thing at 134. What it did, shoot it, right? So like this, we need to be very patient. Even though if I'm just keep on watching that lot of things, and we think ourselves it won't move, and it is a very slow movement. like that it happening. So once we entered and we know that this is a B and C has to shoot, it means anything it has to shoot, we need to be very careful, right? So this is a 1 2, so here is a third wave is completed, and what it will do is a one more correction wave as a triangle or whatever it is, and again it has to complete that 5-wave structure to this zone. This is a previous structure, support resistant, and then again it may fall. This I missed. So be patient, it will happen, but what we think it won't, immediately it won't happen. The same thing it's happening in Parag. Keep on watching from here. If we lose our patience, okay, and we are not going to watch, and if we exited the position and going to the other pair, it will complete it here what I explained, and again if it shooted, we miss the whole trade. So be patient, it won't go anywhere, but anyway I am looking only for that upper side. It has to minimum reach the 160, but when, that is a question mark here. But right now it is not yet completed that correction, is keep on going. So I think I finished everything as per this watch list, and I added one more thing is Zeal, Z Entertainment, and here it's HCL. So if it is, you can comment in my YouTube. If you have any watch list, you just mention in that. I will get through in that for tomorrow in that weekend. And if it is anything interesting, I will add in my Telegram, and then I will add it to my watch list, and then we can further continuation from the next week. So I think you enjoyed my analysis through Elliott waves, what I explained here, and you can learn something. So thanks for watching, and we will see in the next week stream. Have a nice day and have a great weekend.